everyone, it's Miss Allison. Let's take a look at how to make sure your document is appropriately shared with your partner so they can read what you have to say. So in this top right hand corner here, you have this share button. You're going to click on that. So when you do this, you can see who is this shared with, who is it not, and then down here we can see is it private or is it not. So yours should show up that anyone with the link can edit, but we're going to look at that right now. If it's not, you click on the word change, and then you get to pick. Yours might say Poudre School District, but we're going to say anyone with the link, and it doesn't have to be edit, it could say viewer, right, for this one since they're going to just be reading your story. But you're going to click done when you have that done. And then to go back, if you want to share it with a specific partner, you would come in here and start typing in their name, whatever that looks like for you, or you can start typing in their student ID number and it would pop up for you as well, okay? Once you have done that feature, you do need to make sure you click that blue done button once more, and they will have access to your story. Don't forget to refresh. So if you cannot access it and you've done those steps, hit the refresh button, which is right up top here, and it should give you what you need. The last part is it's asking you right here for your partner's short story draft link. So once they have shared their draft with you, you should have full access to this. You can come up here, and then all you need to do is Control-C or right-click and copy. And back we go. And then you can just left-click or right-click, excuse me, again, and paste, or I just do Control-V, whichever one you know how to do. My computer is moving so slow. There we go, okay? And then if you click that backspace, it will give you the hyperlinked version. Boom, right there, you're good to go. Then you can work your way through this feedback. Thanks.